Well, we think we found out what's wrong with it. I think it's got its cylinder on this side. We think it has a cracked piston ring. So we're gonna have to take part of the engine apart again and then make sure there's no shavings in the bottom. Even though the oil looks clear as day. In this video, I took out the engine in this 2008 Polaris Rzr 800. I already took this thing out once before, but it decided it was going to have some issues because I ordered an aftermarket part, or a used part. This, of course, it's all up on the hoist, you can't see it, but this whole rod is just wiggling, and this one's perfectly fine, so we're going to return that and get a brand new one. But right now, this is where it's at. Hopefully, in the next video of this thing, I'll be tearing into this. And hopefully it can be useful for some people, even though it's in time lapses. But maybe it'll be entertainment. I don't know. Hopefully, y'all find it interesting and useful. But as always, thank you for watching the video. Please consider subscribing, liking this video. See you on the next one. Peace.